Imagine this. You've finally started your investing journey. You've put $1,000 into the stock market, and you're watching it grow. You feel like a genius. But then, life happens. Your car breaks down, your roof leaks, or you face an unexpected medical bill of $500. You check your bank account, but it's empty because every dollar went into your investments. Now, you have two choices: go into high-interest credit card debt or sell your stocks at a loss because the market happens to be down that week. This is the moment most people's financial freedom dreams die. They didn't fail at investing, they failed to build a shield. Today, we are building your financial shield, the emergency fund. Without this, you aren't investing, you're just gambling with your survival. Learn to be free. So, what exactly is an emergency fund? It's a dedicated stash of cash used only for unplanned expenses or financial emergencies. It sounds simple, but here is where most people get it wrong. First, an emergency fund is not an investment. Its goal is not to make you money. Its goal is to buy you peace of mind. Many beginners ask, why should I leave $5,000 in a boring savings account when I could put it in the S&P 500? The answer is liquidity and stability. Markets fluctuate. If the economy crashes, you might lose your job at the exact same time your portfolio drops 30%. If you don't have cash, you are forced to sell your future to pay for your present. Second, let's talk about the sleep well at night factor. Financial freedom isn't just about the numbers in your account. It's about the feeling when your boss threatens to fire you, or a global pandemic hits, and you don't panic. Why? Because you know you have a wall of cash protecting you. This fund turns a crisis into a minor inconvenience. A job loss without a fund is a disaster. A job loss with a 6-month fund is just an unexpected vacation while you look for a better role. How much should you save? The standard advice is 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Notice I said expenses, not income. 1. List your survival costs: rent, groceries, utilities, insurance. 2. Ignore lifestyle costs: no Netflix, no dining out. If your survival cost is $2,000 a month, a 3-month fund is $6,000. A 6-month fund is $12,000. But life isn't one size fits all. Scenario A. The freelancer. If your income is like a roller coaster, 3 months is too risky. A dry spell in your business often happens during an economic downturn. Aim for 6 to 9 months. This is your stability buffer, so you can stay creative without soul-crushing stress. Scenario B. The family. When you have children, the stakes are higher. An emergency could be an urgent medical need for your child. I recommend a minimum of 6 months. You are protecting the foundation of their future. On the flip side, if you are 22 and single, A 3-month fund might be enough to let you start investing sooner. The strategy. Start with a starter fund of $1,000. This stops the cycle of using credit cards for small emergencies like a flat tire or a broken phone. Once you have that, keep building until you hit your full target before you start heavy investing. Now that you're building your shield, you need to know how to manage it. Rule number 1. Keep it separate but accessible. Do not keep this in your daily account. Open a high-yield savings account, HYSA. It's out of sight, out of mind, but earns interest to fight inflation. Rule number 2. It's for emergencies only. A new iPhone or a summer vacation is not an emergency. It must be unexpected, urgent, and necessary. If it doesn't meet all three, don't touch the shield. Rule number 3. Replenish immediately. If you use $500, your new number 1 priority is putting it back. Your shield has a hole in it. Fix it before the next storm comes. Common mistake. Some people pay off low-interest debt like a 3% mortgage instead of building a fund. Don't do that. Debt is a burden, but a lack of cash is a danger. Always have your starter fund first. Building an emergency fund isn't flashy like buying Bitcoin, but it is the foundation upon which all lasting wealth is built. It turns you from a person who is always stressed into a person who is in control. When you have your financial shield, you stop playing defense and start playing offense with your life. Your action step. Look at your bank statement today. Calculate your 1-month survival cost. That is your first goal. In the next video, we talk about asset allocation, how to actually grow your money. Subscribe to join the hub. Learn to be free. I'll see you in the next one.